guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. So I thought everyone is at home, so I have already made kind of like a part 1 of this video. I put out a quarantine watch list, and I actually did receive some messages from you all that you all watched some shows that I recommended and you all liked it. It made me so happy, I can't tell you, so thank you for that. So I thought I'll do kind of like a part 2, but some underrated Bollywood movies that you might have missed out, and you can watch it now. You can catch up with it right now. I actually got this idea because I was watching a beautiful movie which I feel is actually quite underrated, even though it was talked about, but I still think a lot of people have not seen it, and I was one of those people, and I saw it very recently and I loved it so much. So obviously it's number 1 on my list, but yeah, before continuing further, I just want to say that firstly, this list will not be including movies like Tamasha, Masan or Lutera, because I know they were underrated at one point, but they have been widely talked about since then. So I feel they have gotten the recognition that they deserve. These are the movies that I feel I have not seen a lot of talk about them on social media, on in real life, and anyway, it's like that I feel are underrated. I don't see a lot of people talking about them, so you can definitely check them out again. And if you're someone who watches a lot of Bollywood movies, keeps an eye out for good films, and ends up watching almost all movies, this list might not be for you because you might have already seen these movies, but still check it out. Maybe you don't know something something of that sort. And also, the box office, I have no idea how these movies did at the box office. I have no idea what the reviews were. These are movies I watched, I liked, and I don't see it being praised very often on social media, so that is why I think these are underrated movies that you might have missed. So yeah, I think I've said it clear. I don't know why I'm being so defensive, but I feel like I'm being super defensive right now, but yeah. Okay, without further ado, just let's get into the video now. Number 1 on my list is obviously the movie I was talking about right before this. I very recently watched Chichore, and it's such a great movie. Basically, when Chichore came out, I was kind of interested, but then the thing is, I don't like Sushant Singh Rajput a lot. I know he's a good actor, he's a great actor, but I just, for some reason, I don't like him. So that is why I was like, dekhu nahi dekhu, and then I ended up not watching it. No, but recently it was coming on TV, and I decided let's give it a watch, and it's such a great movie. I was like, oh my god, I should have watched this, and I definitely recommend it to watch it with your parents. Okay, it has such a great cast, like amazing. I really loved it. It streams on Hotstar, so do check it out. The next movie I want to talk about is Margarita with a Straw. This is such a beautiful movie. Like, I cannot tell you and stress on how great it is. You have to watch this movie. It is Shonali Bose's actually first movie. If you Shonali Bose's second movie was The Sky Is Pink, which again I recommended in my other video. It is one of my most favorite movies. The Sky Is Pink was one of my most favorite movies, and this as well, Margarita with a Straw, is such a fantastic movie. It's a very different and new take on a specially abled person. It's really something very unique, and I genuinely really enjoyed watching it. I was obviously I was crying, I was happy, like just the perfect mix of emotion was served through this movie. So definitely watch this one, like, for sure. The next movie that I want to recommend is Do Duni Char. It is a very old movie. I think it came in 2010, if I'm not wrong. It was I think I don't know, but I think it's Disney's first Hindi movie. It's not, I think it has Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh in the leading roles, and it's such a fantastic movie. I remember when it came, I used to watch it a lot. I love this movie. It's a slice of life movie based on a typical family living in Delhi, a middle class family, and their quest to buy a car. The acting is brilliant, the cast is brilliant, and I would definitely recommend all of you to watch it. So yeah, Do Duni Char is available on Netflix. The next movie that I want to talk about is something that I loved so much, but it also scared the hell out of me. Okay, and I think this is really underrated, even though how to say, चर्चा, मतलब चर्चा हुई थी इस मूवी की, but I don't know how many people actually ended up watching it, and like more people should just watch it. Okay, it is Game Over. It stars Tapsi. I think it's available in Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. Man, what a great movie! The plot is very engaging. It scares the hell out of you. Like, it scared the hell out of me. And I am someone who loves horror movies. This was not horror, but more like a mystery thriller, not horror. Uh, so engaging, so intriguing, just beautiful. And obviously, when it's Tapsi, you can't expect anything less than total awesomeness from her, right? She is so great in the role. You have to watch this. You cannot miss this. Like, don't watch any other movie from this list, but watch this one. I recommend not watching it at night, because usually we watch it alone when you're watching at night. Watch it in daylight, watch it with someone, but do watch it. It's Fadu. Game Over is available on Netflix, so you can watch it there. The next movie that I want to talk about is Stanley Ka Dabba. Okay, it is such a great movie. It's such a sweet, great, nice movie. Very wholesome, very fun to watch. So any afternoon where you just want to spend the day chilling, and you're not in the mood of a very heavy film, you can definitely watch this. I have heard people love Stanley Ka Dabba, but there's still not enough talk about it. And it's such a, I don't know, for me, it's a very treasured movie. I really love it a lot. So that is why I'm suggesting it. Next that I want to suggest is a movie that again blew my mind. Is Raman Raghav 2.0. It's kind of like a thriller slash murder mystery, but watch it for the acting. It stars Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Vicky Kaushal in the lead roles, and it's also Shobhita Dhulipala's debut movie, if I'm not wrong. But like, obviously, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he's going to be great, and obviously he is amazing. Like, nerve-wracking. You can feel the madness through the screens. Okay, but also Vicky Kaushal. Like, I have loved Vicky Kaushal since Masan, since his first movie. I have loved him, but even, and I know he's a great actor, but even I was not expecting the brilliance that he brought in Raman Raghav 2.0. Like, he was totally like matching up to Nawaz's brilliance, and it's a great movie to watch. It's very intriguing, very interesting, and they have a very nice twist to things. Do check this one out. The next movie that I want to recommend is a movie that again is a very old movie. I don't even remember when it released. It's Door. It is such a beautiful, heartwarming story. Door revolves around the story of two women and how they become friends. I don't want to say much about it so that I don't give out any spoilers or anything. Also, it very subtly shows the realities that our society has, and it's just beautiful. The next movie that I want to suggest is again quite an old movie. I don't really know how underrated it is or not, but I don't think a lot of people have seen it, so like, you definitely can check it out. Is A Wednesday. So the plot of the movie, I'll try and explain without giving any spoilers. It's kind of based about one day in Mumbai, where a Wednesday in Mumbai, when the city is under a threat. So how these people, how the police and special forces are kind of dealing with this threat, and how they work around it. That's all I can say. But it's a great movie. A Wednesday is available on Netflix. So these were the movies that I mainly wanted to recommend and talk about, because I feel they are not very often talked about or something, and many people have not seen it. There are a lot many movies that I know are underrated. I could literally name 5 more on the top of my head. You can watch them, like Angry Indian Goddesses, Titli, Panga, or Death in the Gunj. It's such a beautiful movie. Maybe I should do a part 2 of this. So there are a lot more movies I know, but somehow when I started to create this list, sat down and thought about the movies, these were the ones that came into my mind, nothing else. If you have seen these movies, then great. If not, then please do check them out and let me know if you watched these movies, if you liked them, if you didn't like them. Also, please drop in and let me know what other kind of videos that you want to see on my channel, because right now I have the time to create these videos, so that is why that's what I'm doing most. So and I really want to do as many videos as possible. So if you have any ideas of what you would like to see in the channel, then please do drop them in the comments. And that's it for this video. Please don't forget to share this video with everyone and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to press the notification bell so that you know when I drop a new video. And I'll see you very soon. Please stay safe, please stay inside, and stay healthy and happy.